everyone and welcome to my channel Embrace Wellness. My name is Sweetie Addo and in today's video we'll be talking about how to take care of the sensitive area around our eyes with the right kind of eye cream or eye gel and how to apply an eye cream or eye gel in a correct way. Puffiness, shadows, dark circles and fatigue eyes are something that we do not desire as they can take the beauty of our face. This can happen due to stress and overwork, lack of sleep, unhealthy lifestyle habits, smoking and excessive use of makeup. While we cannot do much about stress and overwork, we can always take care of the rest of the concerns using the right kind of product. With Biotique Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel, you can take care of the puffiness, dark circles, fine lines and fatigue around your eyes. This refreshing eye gel contains seaweed extract, almond extract, honey, Himalayan water and nutmeg oil, that is Hairfall. This refreshing eye gel is non-sticky and light and can take care of dark circles, puffy eyes, shadows and tones all section around your eyes. Using an under eye cream or eye gel is really important even if you're not struggling with fine lines, dark circles, puffiness, etc. Since the area under our eye is really delicate and have no glands that can lubricate and keep them hydrated, it is really essential to pack an under eye cream or eye gel at least twice a day. So please continue to watch the entire video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, take a moment to subscribe to my channel to watch more such videos. For now, let's get started with the video. This is how the packaging of Biotique Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel looks like. It is 100% Ayurvedic with 100% natural botanicals, no chemicals, no preservatives and no animal testing. The net weight of the product is 15 grams and is priced at ₹199 and it has a 3 years of shelf life. All in eco-friendly and recyclable packaging. These are dermatologically tested for safety. It comes in a small round tub with a screw lid. It has an inner lid for added protection and the packaging is safe to travel with. All the information such as date, price and ingredients are on the tub so that if you throw away the outer box, you will still have the required information. It is a transparent eye gel. It has hydrating and nourishing properties that soothe your eyes and keep them healthy. It also relaxes the tired eyes and also tones the area around your eyes. It reduces the puffiness as well. You need to choose the right finger for the application of an eye cream. And here we will be using the ring finger because it allows for the most delicate application than the other fingers. You need to take a very little quantity of the eye gel or eye cream. I think this much is enough for each eye. While applying an eye cream, go from outside to inside. Ensure that you don't go too close to the eyes as the product might seep into your eyes, and go in a gentle patting motion. Do not rub or pull the area as this area around the eyes is really sensitive and often displays wrinkles first. You also need to ensure that you apply the eye cream just below the eyebrows, that is the area around the eyes. Don't again go too close to the eyes because the area around the eyes tends to sag with age. So again, with a gentle circular motion, you apply the eye cream around your eyes. Also, consistency is the key to make sure that you apply the eye gel or eye cream twice a day. That is in the morning and at night. This will ensure to give you healthy looking eyes. It will keep the area moist, plump and sparkling. If your eye cream or eye gel is heavier, then you apply the eye cream or eye gel after the moisturizer, and if it is lighter, then you apply the eye cream before the moisturizer is being applied. For me, using Biotique Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel has helped me get rid of tiredness around my eyes. It has given me smooth, sparkling, moist and plump skin around my eyes. It really gets absorbed very fast and very quickly, so you don't get any stickiness around your eyes as well. So guys, I believe you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give your valuable feedback. For your convenience, I'm listing the product details in the description box below. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.